You got that spare tire kit to let the tire down?
No, hey, Kay. Yes. Okay.
Let me see something.
Right here, hold on.
What's right there, babe?
The thing
He got it in his hand.
No, it's not, babe. That's not what you're not gonna get it down like that. You're not gonna get it down like that. All right. And this might not even work.
like that. I'm just playing. That nigga say it's your fault. I be candle. I can borrow your light.
Borrow it?
Borrow your light when you done.
Sure.
God damn it.
No, I'm good, man. Appreciate it.
How about y'all move back around for the moment? You on call, huh, friend?
Yeah, babe.
What you need? I say, what you need?
What I need?
Yeah, like a tip or something. I know you on call.
No, I'm good,
baby.
baby.
Type shit.
I'm good. Appreciate it.
You okay? You sure?
That's it.
You sure?
I'm positive, man. I'm good. Y'all have a good one, all right?
I don't want to know you though.
You want to know me? What you mean?
I don't know. I want to give you positive energy or something. Something about you.
Something about me?
Yeah. Hey, baby, I got this under control. You get you wearing them tights. You wearing them tights with the fucking control. I don't know. I don't know.
You the oldest, okay?
I'm married, baby.
Understood. I like your energy. I like you got structure.
I do, but I'm married,
Bless
so
you. Well, get what? Bless you.
thank you,
You
baby.
got a bunch more coming.
Thank you.
Hey, love you. I ain't know.
Thank you, baby. Be careful, all right?